Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to set up your HD camera on your PlayStation 5. So I just have it mounted on the top of my TV. And I want to go up to the top here and select Settings. Then scroll on down. And we want to go to Accessories. Then go to Other Accessories and then go to the right. And scroll on down under this list. And we have the option for the Adjust HD camera right here. So let's select this. Alright, so if your camera doesn't turn on, just go to the back of it and try a different USB slot. And you can see the light is on the top here. And I can see my room. So you can see the camera looking at my camera. Now, it says your PS5 will take the first picture, position yourself so the picture fits my frame. So let's go into here and the file, and it'll take it automatically. So let's just get in there. Alright, good. Get the last one. Perfect. And it says please wait. Your HD camera is adjusted. Now we can also go to like captures and broadcasts down here. And then we can go over to broadcasts. And we can go on over to where it says camera right here. And select that. And we should be able to see ourselves in here too. And then we can change the size of it if we're going to be live streaming. And we can go to a chroma key if we want. Otherwise like an auto cutout. So if you're going to be live streaming, this will be helpful. If you're not, it's probably going to be useless for you, but we have the brightness. We can increase it or decrease it. The contrast, transparency if we want to go and just reduce this. Sometimes I do the flip on here too. You just flip it back and forth. Otherwise the effects make it a little more pixelated. So I kind of like the comic book one, that kind of looks cool. Otherwise just go to none. And then we have the level here for the chroma key. So if you got like a green screen in the background, you can go in and do that and I'll cut it out. Let's try the other ones. A hex, square, circle, or none. I usually just go to none, or I do like the chroma key. I have a green screen. But then you can refocus your face too. And we kind of did that before. And it'll go right to your face. Otherwise you can just reset it. So if you're going to be standing up in a weird position like this, it's going to go ahead and zoom right in on you. And it'll look good. So if we go to Restore Defaults, let's see what this is. We have to turn on the camera, and it'll be my entire room again. Oh, perfect. So if this video did indeed help you out, leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.